What's going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we will be looking at Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as MobileGO to Bitcoin. As always, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications. Thank you guys for all responding about your regards to XRP being added to our daily crypto to be reviewed each day, and I think I'm going to just review it like every other day or so. It doesn't seem like everybody is so on board with reviewing the coin every single day, so about every other day we will start to do that. But otherwise, let's just move on. So I got a lot of stuff to be explained in today's video, a lot of important stuff, and I do think it'd be very wise to watch the whole thing to the end, because there's a lot of important information that I would like to go over with you guys. In today's episode, we will be reviewing, obviously, MobileGO Coin's massive breakout, why it broke out. We will then be doing technical analysis on Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then we will also be looking at a new app that has been added to cryptocurrency, or that revolves around cryptocurrency, that I think is absolutely freaking awesome, and that all of you guys should get invested in today. And definitely check this out. We will be looking at it like on my phone, and we're going to be checking out the app. I did download it, so I do want to show you guys that later on in today's video. But otherwise, let's just move on with today's episode. So I do want to look at the coin market cap. I guess then we'll look at the MobileGO app. Then we'll look at this other app, and then we'll look at the technical analysis. So obviously you guys can just skip ahead if you wanted to see that. But we're on the coin market cap right now. I refreshed. We're at 210 bill, 9.6 24-hour volume, and Bitcoin dominance of 53.6, and I believe that's already refreshed. So I'm just going to double check and refresh it one more time to make sure I'm exactly accurate. So yeah, pretty much everything has stayed the same. So we're really not seeing any movement from yesterday. Pretty much sideways trading all around the board. Dominance has not changed. 24-hour volume has not changed. If then, actually, it might have went down ever so slightly. Then market cap has not changed really at all. Looking at the top 10 coins, as we can see, the top 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're doing 5 out of 10 seem to be up, 5 out of 10 seem to be down. So about even, kind of neutral. A lot of stability right now within this market. Bitcoin still, wow, slightly below $6,500. We see Ethereum at 204, XRP 0.45. The only one that's up really today, up 1.89. Then Litecoin at 0.11, down 0.11 at 52.38. So there's a lot of interesting things we're going to be talking about in the technical analysis. I'm going to do the technical analysis at the end of the video. As of right now, I will be looking at this article really quick to show you guys this. I think it is very interesting. So right here on the Daily Hodl, I believe this is the article. Here we go. So hopefully you guys are all familiar with Shark Tank. I feel like if all of you guys are involved in cryptocurrency, you most certainly have heard of Shark Tank, the show. So basically it says Bitcoin and crypto hit Shark Tank, plus Ripple and XRP, Ethereum, Tron, Stellar, Litecoin. So this is an awesome freaking app, and I am so giddy about it. I'm so happy that I really want to just review this with you guys. We'll check out the app in a second. So basically these cryptocurrencies, and I know for Dave too, XRP is also being added. We have Litecoin for all of my fans, and then we have Ethereum, Tron, Stellar, everything, all the really good cryptocurrencies, in my opinion, that you should be invested in. This makes investing so much easier, and that's why I say, guys, you got to check it out. So as I scroll down, it says from Bitcoin and crypto's push. So obviously, I want to shout out Daily Hodl. This is where I'm getting this article from. But then it says from Bitcoin and crypto's push in prime time to a new exchange based on XRP. Here's a look at some of the stories breaking the world in crypto. So it says entrepreneur Dimitri Love pitched an app called Bundle that's designed to let people turn spare change into crypto, and he convinced Kevin O'Leary to invest $100,000. So right off that, all I'm thinking is we have an app called Acorn, which basically collects your money. So basically, let's say you spend $1.70 on a Pepsi at a store. It'll round that $1.70 up to $2, and the 30 cents will then get saved into like mutual funds or different stocks that you have chosen. And basically, this is kind of like a knockoff to that, but this is in cryptocurrency. So let's say you spend that $1.70, it'll take that 30 cents and then invest it into a portfolio that you like. So it's pretty much investing for you off a very like loose change. So you really don't have to invest a lot, and it'll make the decisions for you. So it makes it a lot easier. So it's definitely a really cool way, an easy beginner way to get involved in cryptocurrency. It basically lets you get involved at a very slow, easy beginner pace, and it doesn't cost that much. The app is free, so that's pretty awesome. Hopefully you guys are familiar with Kevin O'Leary. Obviously, you can see Mr. Wonderful right here. Hopefully, I'm hoping you guys have watched the show Shark Tank. So he's pretty much the main figurehead of the show. So as I can scroll down, it says, whenever users make a credit card purchase, Bundle is designed to round up the transaction to the nearest dollar, and then the spare change in Bitcoin, and then it invests the spare change into Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, or Bitcoin Cash, and I think XRP too. So obviously, Mr. Wonderful says, I don't do good deals. I do great deals. Bundle and Mr. Wonderful have a deal. So basically, as you heard from him, this is a very, very, very new app. So the fact that it's so new is a really good time to start getting invested in that. So either try to find a way to get invested in the app itself, in its stock, try to buy some of the stock or the share. If not, try to get involved with the app itself. So just really quick, I actually do want to go on my phone and check out this app with you guys. I just want to scroll down. Obviously, this is talking about other articles really quick, so nothing of importance that we really want to look at. So I want to go on my phone really quick. I have it up, iPhone 10 obviously, and I'm on the app right now, and I want to screen record this so that we can all pretty much see what I'm looking at, and you guys can all see it as well. So I'm on the app right now, and as you guys can see, it's loading up right here. So basically it says, welcome to Bundle. Bundle makes investing in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum easy and fun. Get started. As it says, so if we spend $3.62, 38 cents will be invested. We round up your purchases to the next dollar and invest the spare change into Bitcoin and other cryptos. It's a really cool app, and the fact that it's iOS 12 and iPhone 10 like set up so we can actually see all the tops and bottoms of the screen is actually really, really cool. So that it says invest only in Bitcoin or any combination of others, you'll have full control. I actually really like this app. Track your portfolio growth and manage your currencies all without leaving the app. So then it says log in, create an account. So obviously I'm going to create an account. Here we go. Add my last name. There we go. Enter my email. Let's do this email, cryptotvofficial@gmail.com. And then I'm going to create a password. So obviously I'm going to block this out. Okay. And it says your account is created. Go check your email for the verification link. So let me do that in 1 second. All right, so we are back, and now it says link your transactions. Your debit card transactions are used to calculate spare change roundups. So obviously it says link card. I don't even know if I can do like anything else with that. If we can continue further. Obviously I don't want to link my card right now, but let's just continue. Now, let me just link my card really quick, and then we will see what else happens within this app when we continue. All right, so we are back at the app, and now it says pricing options. We are super excited to give you an affordable way to invest. So there you go, guys. It is $3 a month, or it's $24 a year to invest in it for you. So I'm going to probably just set this up later. I don't want to enter all this information while I am recording, but that's pretty much the app. I would definitely recommend checking it out. And if you feel so inclined to want to purchase it, it's for the $3 a month. Definitely let me know what your opinion is on the app. But it's a lot of information I don't want to fill out right now on the screen, so we'll just do this at a later time. But now moving on. So basically, I'm going to look at Litecoin, then we'll look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then we'll look at MobileGO and the reason for MobileGO moving up. So obviously you can see right here, Litecoin is on the 4-hour moving quite a bit sideways. As you guys can see, we are still trapped within this channel, and we're really not seeing much movement at all. You can see a lot of sideways trading. We're not seeing a breakout just yet, but with this sideways trading, we are anticipating some sort of movement. So the fact that we're anticipating this run, it's pretty much just calculating when exactly we're going to see this jump and how big of a jump it is. So the fact that we do have this channel right here and we are still under the downtrend, it's safe to say that we're most likely going to consolidate out until we hit, kind of pressured into this corner right here. So around like November 4th, I believe. So that could be in like, 10 days at most. So pretty much a week and a half away. We could be seeing a potential pop in this currency. And obviously we'll be tracking that every single day till that happens. But obviously moving on to Bitcoin right now, you guys can see another day of consolidation. We're looking at Bitcoin on the daily, not the 4 hour. So a little bit different than in Litecoin's video. And as you guys can see, sideways trading here, especially on our relative strength indicator. You can see we're pretty much trading at around 48 right there. So plenty of potential to be moving up in value for this price. We could see a price action all the way up to around $6,700, which I've been calling. We can pretty much, we did fall, and then we pretty much retraced right back up to the same level that we were at prior. But the fact that we're seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days now of cumulative movement, sideways trading, it's pretty much inevitable that we are going to see a pop in the price very, very, very soon. So I definitely would be very patient. Watch the markets. We're going to see some sort of movement fairly soon. So definitely make sure to be watching this. Set your price alerts. So that you know when we do see these movements. Lastly, let's check out Ethereum. As you guys can see, Ethereum doing the same thing again. Sideways trading at best. We're not really seeing much movement at all there. All the markets, all the big blue chip cryptos seem to be just trading out sideways. This is a good indicator that we are going to make a move fairly soon. Now, this is on the 4 hour, and as you guys can see, we're holding support extremely well at 198, and you can see a lot of resistance right down here. You can see sideways trading is definitely happening. You can see the suppression right here from this green band and the red band. The high-low MMA is coming down slowly, pushing this currency in. And then lastly, the one thing that I want to show you guys, and obviously on that we were anticipating some sort of breakout. You can see similar to here, the sideways trading that we had prior to leading up to this massive MobileGO pump in price. You can see we did retest again our high-low MMAs. We were leading up right here, and as you can see, we broke extremely bullish, retraced all the way back down, price correction, and then we kind of let off again. So it is possible to see this in Decred and in the other coins that we reviewed. I think Raven coin we reviewed the past couple of days this week. So a massive breakout that we are anticipating. There is a good possibility actually that we could continue to move higher up within MobileCoin. The fact is that we did retrace back down. We had our pullback, and we are not nearly as overbought as we were prior to the movement. So as you guys can see, we are much lower at the current price right here for this movement to happen. And the reason we actually broke up is because right here, you can see MobileGO tokens were listed on Bitfinex exchange, another really huge exchange to hit the market. So the fact that these really small altcoins are being added to big exchanges like that is pretty much showing the other people, the retail investors, that this coin is something not to be afraid of. The fact that it's being listed pretty much ensures that it's out of its ICO stage and is now being considered a big cryptocurrency. You know what I mean? So the fact that there's is up here. You can see these comments right here. Let us elaborate on why this is extremely beneficial for investors. First, the listing on such a reputable exchange gives a profound boost to MGO's reputation. Exactly. Like I just said, not only will it make token more popular, but it would also increase trustworthiness and investment appeal for the current and would-be investors. So basically they're saying you wouldn't really see a dump and the coin just vanish off the market cap because it's pretty much just showing its trust and its reputation, its reputable view of the currency. And it says second, it will attract new traders, obviously, because now they're getting Bitfinex's, all their different people that are trading on their exchange. They now have the opportunity to use that coin as well. So a lot more traffic is going to be directed to that coin. And then lastly, it says most credit for this listing goes to the active MGO community. This is a milestone for MGO, which just set a goal to become a truly global coin transcending national borders to make games available to everyone. And getting listed on such a reputable exchange for Bitfinex and Ftfinex will definitely make valuable contribution to that goal, attracting new traders and promoting a token worldwide. So pretty much an awesome thing to happen to MobileGO. Definitely shows me that MobileGO is now more of a actual currency to potentially invest in and not just one that I would shy away from because of the fact that it's now listed on an exchange. It's not like an ICO anymore. It's pretty much just grown up. So that is pretty much why we're seeing this massive movement in MobileGO. So obviously that has been shown to a lot of you guys that when we're, seems to be like when we're listed on an exchange, massive pumps happen. So now we pretty much just have to see which cryptocurrencies are going to be added to exchange, and then when they do get added, invest, because it's going to shoot this coin up and all coins up. But otherwise, that's going to sum up the episode for today, guys. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications. Give a nice thumbs up if you like this content and want to see more, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's episode. Peace.